I rarely look at what is right in front of me. It's a flow of mine. I don't see the present, I see the future. I'm always looking beyond the obstacle, searching for what has yet to arrive. This is why the partnership between StyleItaliano and LM is so natural. We share the same obsession for what's next. Even when the path is smooth, I'm waiting for a challenge, seeking the idea for something different. In this search, I'm never alone. There is a faithful companion by my side. The tool must respond mentally to your needs. When you hold it, you feel it, and it's already part of you. An aid that speaks your language.